Welcome to our exploration of kitchens with transparent marble countertops, a stunning blend of trendy aesthetics and timeless elegance. In this video, we'll delve into the unique allure of transparent marble and its incredible versatility, highlighting why it's become a sought-after choice for modern kitchens. From discussing durability and maintenance to innovative applications beyond countertops, we will cover all aspects of integrating this exquisite material into your home. Join us as we uncover how transparent marble can elevate your kitchen design and adapt to future trends. 1. The allure of transparent marble. Transparent marble countertops are becoming a popular choice in modern kitchens. These countertops offer a unique blend of beauty and functionality, creating a sophisticated atmosphere in any home. The natural translucence of marble allows light to pass through, casting a warm glow that enhances the ambiance of the kitchen. Unlike traditional opaque countertops, transparent marble can make a space feel more open and airy. This quality is especially appealing in smaller kitchens where maximizing light and space is vital. Homeowners are increasingly drawn to this luxurious material, as it combines the timeless appeal of marble with a contemporary edge. 2. Durability and maintenance. Marble is known for its durability, and transparent marble countertops are no exception. They are resistant to heat, which makes them ideal for kitchen environments where hot pots and pans are frequently used. However, like all marble surfaces, they require regular maintenance to keep them in pristine condition. Spills should be wiped up promptly to prevent staining, and using cutting boards can help avoid scratches. Sealing the marble periodically is essential to protect it from moisture and acidic substances that could cause damage. With proper care, transparent marble countertops can last for decades, offering both beauty and function. 3. Design versatility. One of the most appealing aspects of transparent marble countertops is their versatility in design. They come in a variety of colors and patterns, allowing homeowners to choose a style that complements their kitchen decor. Whether you prefer a classic white marble with subtle veining or a bold, dark hue with dramatic patterns, there's a transparent marble option to suit every taste. These countertops can be paired with a wide range of cabinetry and flooring options, making them a flexible choice for any design aesthetic. Their adaptability ensures that they can easily fit into both modern and traditional kitchen designs. 4. Environmental considerations. In today's eco-conscious world, many homeowners are considering the environmental impact of their choices. Transparent marble is a natural material, which means it is more environmentally friendly than synthetic alternatives. Marble is quarried from the earth, and when sourced responsibly, it can be a sustainable option. Choosing marble from local or ethical quarries can reduce the carbon footprint associated with transportation. Additionally, marble is a long-lasting material, which means it won't need to be replaced as frequently as other countertop options, reducing waste in the long term. 5. Cost implications. While transparent marble countertops offer numerous benefits, they can be a significant investment. The cost of marble varies depending on the rarity and quality of the stone, with prices ranging from affordable to quite expensive. However, many homeowners consider this investment worthwhile due to the longevity and aesthetic appeal of marble. It's essential to weigh the initial cost against the long-term benefits, such as increased property value and the timeless beauty that marble brings to a kitchen. For those on a budget, exploring different types of marble and sourcing options can help find a solution that fits both style and financial constraints. 6. Installation considerations. Installing transparent marble countertops requires expertise and precision. Due to the weight and delicacy of marble, it is crucial to hire experienced professionals for the installation process. The stone must be cut and fitted accurately to ensure a seamless finish. It's also essential to reinforce cabinetry and support structures to handle the weight of the marble. Proper installation is key to maximizing the longevity and performance of the countertops. Homeowners should work closely with their chosen installation team to ensure that all aspects of the process are handled with care. 7. Impact on kitchen lighting. The translucent nature of transparent marble countertops can have a significant impact on kitchen lighting. By allowing light to pass through, These countertops can enhance natural and artificial lighting, creating a brighter, more inviting space. This quality is particularly beneficial in kitchens with limited natural light, as it helps to maximize the available illumination. Homeowners can further enhance the effect by incorporating under-counter lighting, which can create a stunning visual display. The interplay of light and marble can transform a kitchen into a warm and welcoming environment that is perfect for both cooking and entertaining. 8. Combining with other materials. Transparent marble countertops can be beautifully combined with other materials to create a unique and personalized kitchen design. Pairing marble with wood cabinetry adds warmth and contrast, while stainless steel appliances provide a modern touch. Glass backsplashes can complement the translucence of the marble, adding visual interest and depth. Mixing materials allows homeowners to create a balanced look that reflects their personal style. The versatility of transparent marble makes it an ideal component in a variety of design schemes, whether minimalist, contemporary, or eclectic. 9. Innovative uses beyond countertops. While transparent marble is most commonly used for countertops, its applications extend beyond this traditional usage. It can be used for kitchen islands, backsplashes, and even flooring to create a cohesive and luxurious kitchen design. Using marble in multiple areas of the kitchen can create a sense of unity and flow. Additionally, the natural beauty of marble makes it a striking choice for accent walls or decorative features. By exploring innovative uses of transparent marble, homeowners can create a unique and sophisticated kitchen that stands out. 10. Future trends in marble kitchens. The popularity of transparent marble countertops is part of a broader trend toward using natural materials in kitchen design. As homeowners seek to create spaces that are both functional and aesthetically pleasing, marble continues to be a favored choice. Future trends may see the integration of technology with marble, such as touch-sensitive surfaces or smart lighting that interacts with the stone's translucence. Additionally, advances in quarrying and processing techniques may lead to new styles and patterns of marble being available. As these trends evolve, transparent marble is likely to remain a staple in modern kitchen design.